There is no substitute for hard work. Thomas Edison. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a vocabulary slang word. The word we are going to discuss is buck naked. Buck naked. In this lesson, we are going to discuss in detail about the meaning and usage of the word buck naked. Buck naked is a slang word used by native English speakers. It is an adjective because it describes a noun. Any word that describes a noun is called as an adjective. As you all know, all the names are called nouns. So, the pronunciation for this word is buck naked. Buck naked. Buck naked. Buck naked means completely naked. Buck naked is a very informal phrase meaning completely naked. Describing someone as buck naked means they have on no clothing at all. Buck is sometimes used as an adjective meaning completely or totally. So, buck naked means completely naked. Look at the synonyms for the word buck naked. Stark naked. Stark naked. It is somewhat less informal. Shall we use the word buck naked in a sentence? Look at this sentence. I was buck naked when I realized someone had taken my towel. Number 2. Robbie was running around his house buck naked looking for his cassette player. He was standing in front of the house buck naked. So, buck naked means completely naked. Have no clothing at all is called buck naked. Buck naked versus butt naked. Buck naked and butt naked are used to describe someone who is fully nude. Buck naked is the older of the pair. So, buck naked and butt naked means completely nude. So far in this class, we have discussed the slang word buck naked. Buck naked means completely naked, completely nude. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.